What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be working on a Motovox, a mini bike. I don't have a name for it yet. Let's see. Thinking about a name. Just if you have any idea, put it in the comments. But let me show you. Let me show you this Motovox. It's right here. It's a beater that I pick up off of Facebook. She's rough. She needs some love. She has a Prado 212. As far as I know, it's completely stuck. To give you a backstory on it, I got it off of Facebook. I did these things, just to get by. I didn't have the right size bulb for these, so we picked up one on AutoZone. It was too long. That's the only one they have, so I put a whole bunch of washer to make it work. And on the back, I didn't have a spacer, so we ended up using a hose clamp, so the chain kind of lined with the sprocket on the back. So we gotta make it work. We was trying to make it to the trails, and yeah, she did good. She needs some love. When I picked it up, I guess somebody fixed it or trying to fix it. Did a really bad weld in there. She has a few cracks. If you can see over here, it's a crack here, crack over there. She needs some love. We're gonna be working on it. We're gonna be fixing it up. Now I don't know if I want to do like street build or do a off-road build, trail build. But for now, we're gonna take it apart. Take the motor out, take it apart, see how it looks. This is another one of those crazy things. So we have to make these cushion bracket real quick because, like I said, we needed to get to the trail. So I went ahead and make it work, basically. Make it work. I see this is another thing that we already did it previously. See, I don't know what happened to this bike, but this thing is not even aligned to the center of the pipe to the side. It has a big. We got some work to do, guys. We got some work to do. This is another thing that I found. When I steer like this stopper right here, it doesn't. I guess because these aftermarket forks, this doesn't work as it should. So I'm gonna make something here. That way it tops it before it hits the frame right here. Both sides. It's making those holes. Well, we took it apart, guys. We took it apart. Look at this. Everything. Yeah. Looks to be. Everything looks to be stuck. So I'm gonna be doing some. Springs are soft, so I guess it's stuck too. Nothing seem to be upgraded inside of the engine, so I'm doing some pour and polish. This head. Now I found these pieces of plastic. Let's see. Found these pieces of plastic inside of the engine. I don't know. I'm not sure where it came from. I don't know if there was something in here. It broke off. This is the governor. Not sure where this plastic came from. But everything seemed to be good shape. Found these little things on the crank. Everything seemed to be in good shape. So yeah, so she's apart. Yeah, she is apart. So we're gonna be doing some inspection on the frame in the next video. We're gonna be doing some pour and polish on the head. Gonna be ordering some parts, springs, doing a rod upgrade, and let's see what else we do to this engine. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.